Republic Day speech. Hello, all. Wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today, as we raise the tricolor against the sky, let it be a reminder of the responsibility we bear, not just to legacy of those who came before us, but to the generations that will inherit this great land. Let's ensure that on future Republic Days we can look back with pride, not just at the strides we have made, but at the future we have built, a future worthy of sacrifices made and the dreams dreamt. Let us, the people of India, hold fast to the spirit of our Constitution, the spirit that dared to dream of a perfect union and translate that dream into reality. Let us be the change we wish to see, the agents of progress, the champions of justice, and the guardians of freedom. In the hallowed halls of our parliament, let us strive for dialogue and consents, not discord and division. Let us remember that we are not merely representatives of parties or ideologies, but custodians of the dreams and the aspirations of millions of citizens. Let's put aside hateful speech and narrow mindedness and celebrate our variety as our greatest asset. Recall that India, as a unified nation with Hindus, Muslims, Sikhs, Christians, and other faiths standing shoulder to side, defeated the strength of colonialism, allow that solidarity to serve as our roadmap towards a more promising future. Therefore, on this Republic Day, let us not just celebrate the triumphs of the past, but also recommit ourselves to the unfinished tasks of the present. Let us be the custodians of the dream that Mahatma Gandhi nurtured, the dream of a nation where every child finds opportunity, every voice finds expression, and every soul lives in dignity and peace. Today, as the golden rays of dawn bathe our nation in a luminous embrace, we stand bathed not just in the light of a new day, but in the golden glow of Republic Day. On this momentous occasion, years ago, we shed the shackles of colonial rule and embraced the mantle of a sovereign, democratic republic. It was a day etched in history, a testament to the unyielding spirit of a people united in their quest for freedom and self determination. The path from enslavement to independence was difficult and marked by the sacrifices of many of this country's sons and daughters. The unshakable voices of millions of people who defied the force of an empire resonated with our independence movement, from the thunder of the Dandi March to the burning spirit of the Quit India movement. The dynamic republic we live in today was founded on their unshakable belief in the inherent dignity of every human being and their persistent pursuit of freedom. But freedom, my friends, is not a destination. It's a journey. It's a continuous striving towards a nation where the ideals enshrined in our constitution, justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity become not just lofty words on paper, but living realities in the lives of every citizen. We have come along a long way in the past several decades. We have come a long way from being a small country suffering from the division of the world to being a major economic force and a thriving democracy. In a world that is frequently engulfed in violence and uncertainty, we have stood tall as a symbol of hope and resilience, fostered and championed innovation, and welcomed diversity. However, the journey isn't over. Challenges remain, and the road ahead demands constant vigil and unwavering commitment. Inequality still casts its shadow, poverty continues to hold millions in its grip, and the specter of corruption threatens to taint the very fabric of our democracy. Let us pledge to fight the twin demons of poverty and inequality, to champion the cause of education and healthcare for all, to empower our youth, and to uphold the values of secularism and tolerance that are the very core of our republic. Thank you. Have a nice day.